How to fix Windows 10 or 11 freezing and crashing issues. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix Windows 10 or 11 freezing and crashing issues. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you have to check for hard drive errors. For that, open File Explorer on your PC. Once you open it, on the left panel, you have to simply search for this PC. Click on it, and then you have to right click on your C drive or the drive where your operating system is installed, and then select Properties. Once you have chosen this option, you have to navigate to the Tools tab and check or click Check under Error Checking. And here we can see that we haven't found any errors on this drive. You can still scan the drive for errors if you want. You can simply click on Scan Drive and you can keep using the drive during the scan. If errors are found, you can decide if you want to fix them. So it will take a few time, you have to wait for that, and after that again a new windows appear. So let's patiently wait for the scanning is done. If any errors are found, you can follow the prompts given on the screen in order to fix them. And once the scan completes, you can restart your computer to apply the changes. Doing so, if your issue has been fixed, then you don't need to go through the other steps. But if this step did not fix your issue, then you have to go through the other steps. So let's close this windows and then let's move towards the other steps. Step 2. Simply you need to run the system file checker. For that you have to click on the start menu and then you need to type on the command prompt, or simply you can click on the search bar and then type on the command prompt. And here you can see Run as Administrator option at the right section. Simply you need to select Run as Administrator and click on the Yes button. And here command prompt windows appear on your screen where you have to simply type in sfc space / and then scan now and press enter on your keyboard. And this command will scan for corrupted system files and repair them if needed. After the scan finishes, you need to restart your computer. So once you have followed this step, you can lastly update your Windows and then run a security scan. For that, you can easily go to the search icon at bottom left corner of the screen and search for the settings. Open it. Then at the left tab, click on Windows Update. And you need to click on the check for updates. And if there is any updates, you need to easily update to the latest version. And once you have done that, you need to restart your computer. Doing so, your issue will be fixed. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.